Hi, welcome to part 4 of the video series about vertical projectile motion. In the previous video, we solved the equations which are used most in this topic, and then we had learned some tips to keep in mind. In this video, we are going to put this knowledge into action by solving a couple of examples. A ball is thrown straight upward with an initial velocity of 25 meters per second. What is its maximum height above its launch point? As it was mentioned before, the first step in this topic is deciding the positive direction. A ball was thrown upwards, therefore we choose that direction as a positive one. Next, we summarize the information given in the question. Initial velocity of the ball is 25 meters per second. Acceleration is downwards, thus its value is negative 9.8 meters per second square. Even though it is not specified directly, we can recall from the notes that at the maximum height, the velocity of an object is 0. We must calculate the displacement till that point. An equation which involves all these quantities is V final square is equal to V initial square plus 2 times acceleration times displacement. Final velocity is 0, initial velocity is 25, gravitational acceleration is negative 9.8. The square of 25 is 625. 2 times 9,8 is 19.6. We can move 19.6 times delta x to the left side of the equation. Delta x can be calculated by taking the ratio of 625 and 19.6, which is equal to 31.89 meters. The second example is similar to the first one. Ball being thrown from a height of 30 meters is the only difference. Therefore, at the beginning, we are going to repeat all the steps from the previous example. Initial velocity is 25 meters per second. Gravitational acceleration is negative 9.8 meters per second square, as we consider upwards as a positive direction. Velocity at the maximum height is equal to 0. Then we write the same formula, do the same substitutions, and get the same answer. Now let's consider what is going on by drawing a diagram. There is a building of a height of 30 meters. A ball was thrown from the top of this building in upwards direction and reached its maximum height after traveling 31.89 meters. We are required to calculate the height of the ball from the ground level. It can be seen on the diagram that this height is the sum of these two values, 30 and 31.89 meters, which is equal to 61.89 meters. In this video, we solved 2 examples. More examples will follow in the next few videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications in order to be updated about the new videos.